National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Adams County in southwestern Iowa, western Adair County in southwestern Iowa, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Icaria, or 8 miles northwest of Corning, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Adair, and Adams. Tornado watch number 26.